this thing in. We're gonna pull it right in here. We're gonna use a ratchet strap and a liquid wrench. We're gonna lift it up. Then we're gonna set it back down. All right. Let's just get the truck in here and we'll figure it out. Larry, I want to let you know there's a sticker on this windshield, this window right here.
Yeah.
It says no worries.
Okay. Shut that thing off.
It only stops on one wheel and there's nothing I can do about it, so.
Just nothing.
Hey, no problem.
It's time to take a break.
Whip the car off.
Alright, so what we're doing here is, I got this old Chevy dump truck off my grandfather, which is in basically piss poor condition. I had another one that's from California, rust free, super clean, big block.
Bought it, sold everything out of it to pay for the truck.
Right. We sold everything out of the truck.
Got it running in her driveway.
Yeah,
drove it home.
Right, ran it in the driveway, drove it home, sold everything out of the back of it, so the truck was free. Tom had the idea we ought to put the dump bed on that one.
Put it down.
I should have done that outside. Well, yep, 4 bolts there,
And the pump.
4 over here.
The pump is up. You can snap these from the outside and leave
Yeah,
it
that's what I'm
break.
thinking for the wrench on the inside. Other than breaking these bolts loose, we're gonna have to lower this bed down and run a strap underneath this whole thing to pick it up.
Yeah, I brought a jump to
You know,
it.
so you can't pick the bed up at a 45, you know what I'm saying? It's welded in the back, yeah.
My air impact, I got one of them Ingersolls. It is probably stronger than this, but this is way more convenient.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
They got some kind of fucking bubble gum weld. I need like a grinder or something. Yeah. There you go.
That. That work for you? Yeah. Okay, I can't promise anything, but you can try it. Okay, hold on. Oh my God, does that impact kill the hand? My God. If anybody was to buy anything, it would be a Milwaukee Impact. If anybody wants anything, it is the tool of choice for today.
Anything else you need me to know?
Anything else you need me to know? Just ask me.
Nice that you could walk right below it.
Okay, take this bolt out, the bed will fall off.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. I don't think it would go anywhere.
Yeah.
The weight.
Well, as long as you don't think it will.
Where do you think the CG is? You want to get the plumb bob?
Just don't be.
Rigging it straight was good.
Oh, this is my favorite part of this whole truck.
Yeah, the dryer bed.
The dryer bed. Blue collar. My grandfather paid $600 for this truck almost 20 years ago, Tom. And I don't think he's ever put $600 back into it. I kind of feel bad taking it apart, to be honest with you. The problem is all they work on is Volkswagens here, so you gotta be real careful because everything, all the tools they have is metric. Which is okay, because they kind of fit. Except for that one. What the hell?
We got a standoff. Someone carried.
My dad did this for sure. What is this going to? We don't need that. Let's go back there.
It's been electrically disbonded.
Get this seat right here. We're gonna hook the wire in on this. Yeah. Here, I'll take a picture of it. Keep an eye out. Keep an eye out for him.
Back to pure.
Me and Tom make fun of each other behind each other's back all the time. That's how it works.
Wait, what?
They're all different sizes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Perfect.
So I took a picture just to make sure we know that they're all different sizes.
Good.
It's good.
Good.
Now, for my next trick, I need to cut these zip ties.
I don't have anything to cut with.
You don't have anything to cut with.
That's pretty dull. See? See how dull that is? Yeah, she's cut many a sheetrock for me.
Why do you have it in your pocket?
'Cause I fucking use it.
I got a good
Jimmy, you got a conference call.
It's just some robocaller trying to get me to pay my bills. I don't have any money though, so you don't pull that handle out.
I've been
Yeah, I'd love to get a handle out.
no more than North Carolina.
Let's see, we gotta go in here.
Pretty painful.
Oh my god, don't lose the grommet.
Can't have that.
We're gonna have to drill a hole in the floor.
Cannot have this looking amateur. Oh
Wow.
man, the loving she never got.
This was part of the limited maintenance program. Go up. Whoa, 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 whoa! My coffee. Okay. Last thing we're supposed to do. Yep.
Radio.
Make sure that strap doesn't rip.
That's great. It's off. We're off.
It's all good. That's pretty.
Something we disconnected isn't supposed to be disconnected. No, it's.
There it is.
Yeah, this thing is. It's a good truck, it really is. The brakes don't work very well at all. It turns to the right. Never hit the pedal, but it'll be okay. So we're gonna park this one and this orange one right here. Like I said, pumpkin pie. That's what we're putting the dump bed back on. It's gonna look real good blue and orange for a while, but eventually I'd like to get it repainted yellow or repainted white. Get rid of the yellow, orange, mustard color. Takes a second. It's a little cold-blooded.
Look at that color match. Sound good now.
What an ugly fucking dump truck.
Oh man, that goes right together. Pumpkin blue jeans.
Man, is this thing gonna be hideous. I kind of love it, honestly.
Oh yeah, he's that guy who's got that blue and yellow dump truck. Yeah, he does everything. Get him out of here.
That dude's a clown. I need to get like a Wonder Bread sticker.
I think
for it.
this.
I tried to line the tires up with the marks that I left with the burnout. Yeah, I understand.
Everything we do has a reason.
Everything we have to do is there was thought behind that. There was thought behind. I don't know if we talked about this before, but my dad threw away the tailgate.
Can we leave it on the frame and see?
No, I changed my mind. Let's just set it down.
Alright.
Alright, so plan 2, which is don't measure and just set the bed down.
Alright.
Hey, the lift does go back up.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you can go down, then back up, and then back down.
It's a reversible decision.
We'll try this at home. That's why we brought it here.
One of the most important things you can do in a build like this is let your friends do most of the work. Keep one of your hands in your pocket, one hand hold your coffee at all times. We probably should have measured this before we did this. Because you know what the thing is? Get rid of these two front pieces. We'll set it down and drill the holes, and we can stand the bed up with that bolted, and we can figure this out.
So you're about there.
Lower the bed down, and just keep going down.
I got your truck.
dump. Yeah. Let's just see how this fit through here.
I think it was on the inside of the frame.
I just want to see how I'm gonna run this up. I just need you to pull it through. Alright.
Power feed for the electric over hydraulic dump bed.
Oh, look at this. Where does he keep driving these things? Alright, hold on. So this I want underneath this one. Are they all dead, really?
Pretty much.
That's crazy. They've been sitting on like concrete.
You should have seen, I put trailer hitches on.
Wish I could do more to help you.
And it twists you up.
You know, I was thinking I was gonna hook this up, but maybe I shouldn't hook this up since it's the positive side, and then that's just and we can hook it
What's this?
up. Yeah. Yep.
Reflectors.
Good to go. I sold 2 junk rusty doors for $100. I don't know why people buy this stuff. I couldn't believe it. I listed the doors online. They're rusted out. The one window motor was welded into the door frame. Welded in. Of course, I didn't tell him that shit. You know. He didn't look either. You know what? Nobody told me when I got him for free, so.
Yeah.
Troy, are we calling this good to drill?
You want to use this one, Tom? This thing's got some torque.
That was a freebie. That was in a car.
Oh my god. You mean to tell me you didn't pay anything for this? You serious?
Hey, at least their battery's charged.
Yeah, at least it's got charged. It's a 12 volt. It's a 12 volt die hard. All right. So for real, I need to finish what I'm doing.
You get in there.
Oh,
this one's nice and bent too. What the hell?
I pulled this off at the junkyard, and I never could remember why I did that and what it was for. It's for this. How about that?
Oh yeah.
All I gotta do is put a hole in it so it works right. That is brand new.
Turn you up.
You're good. Good.
Click.
Like a baby.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, well, you might as well lay under there and put power to the lift.
I can't see it. I can reach it. But I can't. Yeah. Okay. Give me the jumper cable.
Put it up.
Tell me when to stop.
Good. Take her down. Good. It's about where the harness was in the other truck. I guess it doesn't really matter, but you have to find a grommet for this. Oh, lost that one.
Gage only worked on one of them.
I don't want to dig too deep. Mice living in here. Good. Wire going after it. Mind you, I haven't used a gas welder in probably my whole life. So
That'll do it.
that'll do it. Pull the ratchet strap off with it.
If you post thumbnails of them wells, there'll be so many haters.
Oh yeah.
Take these ones off.
The easier you make it to put gas in, the better. So we're going to try and combine some of these hoses, and the ones that are on it, and try and shorten them up. And there we go. Done. That.
Guard out under the bed.
this.
Tie that one there, I got duplex turn.
That
Or
seems
that's
good.
gonna be
Like
reversed.
good.
Left turn, right turn marker.
Overview on this whole project. The light truck is outside, and probably going to be a parts vehicle. The dump bed is installed. The lights work. We got to tinker with the filler necks for the gas tanks, but not trash my impact. Not trash your impact. Yeah, but calipers need installed. Carburetor needs rebuilt. Minor, but this project is done.
Functionality wise, it's probably more functional the way it is than the other one ever was, so.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Yep. TLC. For 1 day's work.
Not even a couple hours.
I don't know, you gotta be on this.